Today is October the 3rd, 10-3, and our title is Crazy Cube. Crazy Cube. Okay, let's get our book open here. So we're going to start with a foreshortened square. And how you do that, let me open up here, 10-3, is 2 dots on each side. You've got one here, one here. Go above a little bit, go below a little bit after you find the middle, and connect. Now we've done this many times, so I'm not going to take too long to talk about that. Okay, after you have them connected, make sure you erase any dots that you can still see. We don't need those anymore. Okay, you're going to bring the left side down, straight up and down. Right side down, straight up and down. These two should be the same length. The middle, bring it down longer than the other two slightly. Okay, just how this angles, same thing here. Just like how this angles, same thing here. Okay, so we've connected it, we've made our cube. Now, we're going to cut some parts out of it today to make it look a little bit different than usual. So what we're going to do is we're going to start right here, and I'm going to make almost like an upside down U, like a frown out of it, a little doorway, if you will. Okay, so I've made my little doorway, but now I need to take this out right here. I can erase that, and I'm actually going to take this point here, and just like how this angles, I'm going to angle that up a little bit. Oops, wrong way. Let me check that angle, because I know it's going this way, so it should be going more like that. There we go, like that. Okay, and you're going to take this, and you're just going to take it, and you're going to bring it straight up and make it smaller and curve it right into the side of that. So it's like a little door that's going inside of it. Okay, so we're also going to need to continue one more line behind it, which is right here. So right about here to here, just the angled line. Let's go ahead and do some shading there, and I'm just going to do like some diagonal lines, some hatching to fill that in, and I'm going to erase what I don't need again. Okay, and let's make a opening in the top, and we'll also make an opening in the side. So to make an opening in the top, you're going to make just a foreshortened circle, which looks like a squashed oval. So it's just like this. Okay, and we're going to make a little lip inside of that, like that. We're going to do the same thing over here, except we're going to make a circle, and we're going to make a lip on the left. Okay, now the reason why this is squashed is because if you were looking at this from the top, you would see this, right? You would see it round, but you're looking at it from an angle. It's tilting away from you, so the circle has to tilt too. That's why this is foreshortened as well. So both the top of the box and the circle are foreshortened. Okay, so they look like they're moving away from you. Let's go ahead and add some shading on the side of the box, and we'll be done. So I'm going to just use some simple hatching. What hatching is just repeating parallel lines. They don't touch. Okay, you can take your time on that. Okay, so I've got pretty much everything done there. I can darken that up maybe just a little bit. So I'm going to go back over it one more time. I can go back over it a little bit more quickly, excuse me, this time. I'm going to erase any marks that I made that are out of the lines. Don't want to see those. Okay, and I'm just going to darken this top right here, just like that. Okay, and there you have it. There's your crazy cube. So I'd like you to make one of these today. Please make sure you erase any lines or marks that you don't need, that you watch your foreshortening. Make sure the top is angled back from you. You put in all the different little lips here, and that you put shading using hatching here and here.